Imagine stepping into a world where luxury meets raw performance, where every curve and detail screams sophistication. That's exactly what the 2026 Lexus LC 500 brings to the table. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. From the moment you set eyes on its sleek, aerodynamic profile, you know this isn't your ordinary coupe. The exterior of the LC 500 is stunning, with Lexus' signature spindle grille that dominates the front fascia, giving it an aggressive yet elegant look. Its LED headlights are sharp, cutting through the night with precision, while the sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from the front bumper to the rear, accentuating its low, wide stance. And those alloy wheels, they don't just fill the wheel arches, they make the LC 500 look like it's already moving. Even when it's parked, step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly balances driver-focused ergonomics with first-class luxury. Soft-touch leather seats cradle you in comfort, while the 12.3-inch infotainment display sits front and center, offering intuitive controls for navigation, media, and connectivity. Every material, from the Alcantara roof lining to the aluminum accents, screams attention to detail. The cabin is designed not just to look good, but to immerse you in a driving experience that's as engaging as it is refined. Under the hood, the 2026 LC 500 packs a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 471 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, acceleration is seamless, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in just 4.4 seconds. But what's even more impressive is how it handles on the road. Adaptive variable suspension, precise steering, and a perfect weight distribution make every twist and turn feel effortless. Blending comfort with sports car agility, safety, and technology are equally impressive. Lexus' advanced suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a host of driver assistance features that make high-speed driving not only thrilling, but secure. And the audio system, a Mark Levinson 13-speaker premium setup that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. What truly sets this LC 500 apart is its ability to combine heart-pounding performance with luxury-level comfort. It's a car that doesn't just move you from point A to B, excites every sense. Whether you're on a quiet back road or cruising through the city streets, for those who demand style, performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship in one package, the 2026 Lexus LC 500 isn't just a choice, it's the ultimate statement of automotive excellence. If you're looking for a car that looks as stunning as it drives and delivers a driving experience you'll never forget, the LC 500 is waiting. Get behind the wheel and let every journey become a story worth telling.